Bitcoin mining still remains popular. While this is something you can do at home, it still requires a custom-made computer with a higher voltage setup than normal. What we have learned is that a lot of Bitcoin mining computers require 250 volt power instead of the traditional 125 volt power that regular computers use. So what outlet can you use in your home for this? What we've learned from customers is that their custom computer typically requires an IEC C19 connection for 250 volts. From there, they can usually find a cord to adapt that to a 620 outlet. These cords are pretty common, and we also carry one, S620 C19-036. Unfortunately, NEMA 620 outlets are not that common in households, but you can still use a 4-prong dryer outlet or 4-prong range outlet to power your custom computer. Both of these outlet options are capable of operating at 250 volts, with adapters like S1430 CB620 for your 4-prong dryer outlet and S1450 CB620 for your 4-prong range outlet. You can safely power your custom computer. Both of these adapters also come equipped with a built-in 20 amp circuit breaker, which will trip and prevent an amperage overload should your computer try to pull more than 20 amps. If you need an adapter or cord for your custom Bitcoin mining setup, please shoot us a message to see if we can help. Please give this video a like and subscribe if you found this information helpful. Thanks for watching.